Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another advent calendar unboxing and tasting for you. Today we have the Sugarfina Santa's Candy Shop, a candy tasting collection. This is their advent calendar for 2023. It is so cute. Last year they did a gingerbread house theme, and then the year before was Santa's Workshop. The design is very similar to previous years. This retails this year for $50. And on the back, it gives you a little rundown of what is inside. Each day contains 4 pieces of these candies. And interesting, I just noticed that this has the expiration date. So 4 pieces of candy per drawer. I typically open these for you so you can see what's inside. And then I just taste one. And then I leave the other 3 pieces for my 3 kids. And then we open it up throughout the actual advent calendar month of December. Okay, so this is it all opened up. You can see the individual days are decorated differently for each day. A change I've noticed right away is the final day 24 is usually larger, and then it's down here in the middle, and then it's a bigger day, but this year they're all the same size. And then down here is just a Christmas tree. So, okay, so let's start off with day 1. Day 1, you have the little peppermint swirl, and we have a little chocolate. I'm gonna see if I can guess what this is. I am sometimes wrong. So we have a little chocolate ball. Okay, this is the inside. This is either chocolate covered cookie dough or cookies and cream. I can't tell. It tastes like it could be both. It's a dark chocolate shell and a cookie center. So that is day 1. I like that these are wrapped up so that it doesn't get stale. Okay, day 2 was hard to get out. You can see it's kind of squished in here. So day 2, okay, this is it up close. And I think this is the cookies and cream. I think I misidentified it last year. Oh yeah, okay. Cookies and cream. So you have the black and white on the outside and the chocolate cookie center. This barely fit in here, all 4. So hopefully it won't get crushed. Day 3, we have the Merry Berries. This one's a little misshapen. Oh, this is so good. The gummy is very soft, so this is good because I hate when it's really hard, tough, chewy gummies. Day 4, we have Holiday Present Gummies. They're either red or yellow, but you can see the little design. I love how thoughtful their little gummies are for the season. This is a little more chewy. Day 5, we have this red box, and day 5 is the Eiffel Tower. I think I first saw this last year, and it's so cute. It's a little bendy, a little leany, but that's it. That's what it looks like with a bite taken out of it. I don't know if this is a new thing. I just noticed that on the back of the gosh darn box, it tells you the candy. So instead of me looking back at the calendar every day, it tells you what's on there. So raspberry Eiffel Towers. That made my job a lot easier. So for day 6, we have Holiday Hearts. Here are the Holiday Hearts. Oh, I really like these. I think I have these before. So that's the Holiday Heart. You have a little ombre effect going on. These are good. They're so soft. That's it with the center. Day 7, we have, oh, little snowman. Oh, these are my kids' favorite types of gummies. One has little sour sprinkles on them. A little gummy snowman. These are tough. That's what it looks on the inside. Okay, day 8, we have Sparkling Stars. I need to look back at the other advent calendars to see if they have the name written on the back, because that really would have helped while I was tasting these. Let's try the yellow one. Sparkling Star. This is pina colada flavor. For day 9, we have, oh, petite strawberries. These are my favorite. I love these types of gummies, the ones that are, I think they call it like a glacé versus the clear gelatin gummies. This is it. You can see the little strawberry. And then that's what the inside looks like. It's almost like a marshmallow texture. These are so good. And they taste just like strawberries. For day 10, day 10 is Riptide Raspberries. So these are similar to the petite strawberries. They almost kind of look like them, but hopefully this is more of a raspberry flavor. They smell so good too. That's the inside. These are my favorite kind of gummies. Day 11, we have, oh, sprinkle donuts. So cute. I love these. These are basically like oversized Cheerios and then just covered in chocolate and sprinkles. So it should look like that. It should look like a little donut. This one got covered up though. But the inside really does look like a Cheerio. kind of a cereal. Okay, day 12, we have birthday cake cookies. Oh, these are so cute. So they call them cookies, but they're more like little chocolate malt balls. That's the birthday cake. So that's what the inside looks like. It's like a little cookie. And then you have the birthday cake sprinkles and the chocolate outside. Very nice. All right, day 13. We are halfway there. And we have these white balls. I really like their chocolate. I think Sugarfina is mostly known for their gummies, but their chocolates and caramels are so good too. Candy cane caramels. So I guess these are more like a peppermint. Oh my God, these are so good. It's got a white chocolate mint on the outside, and then, actually I don't know where the mint is coming from. And then you have the dark chocolate inside, almost like Andes mint, and then the caramel in the center. This is so good. And 14, we have peach bums. So these are peach bums, and it's my favorite kind of marshmallow kind of a gummy, and it's in the little shape of a peach. That's so cute. Wow, this really smells like peach and tastes like peach. I live in Georgia now. I consider myself a peach SME, and these are very accurate in the portrayal of a peach. Day 15, we have, oh, well, peach hearth. So these are more of the traditional sour gummies, or I guess it's a sugar sprinkle, not sour sprinkle. These are their prettiest gummies. You got the little heart ombre with the darker colored center. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. These are just like those peach rings candies. For day 16, we have island pineapples. Again, my favorite kind of gummy. These are so good. I've had this before, but it very much tastes like pineapple. You have a little pineapple cut out. Very authentic, juicy pineapple flavor. And I have been to the Dole Plantation in Hawaii and tried their pineapple ice cream, and it is very good. And this reminds me of that. Day 17. Oh my God, these are so cute. Banana gummies. I appreciate bananas. I don't typically like bananas like in any candy. Like I just don't like banana as an artificial flavoring. I just like to eat bananas and then maybe banana pudding sometimes, but that is so cute. Banana gummies. If you like bananas, you would like this. These are not my favorite, but it's okay. Day 18, we have, oh, apple frogs. These ones are so cute. They're like just sitting there in a row. So there's the apple frog. You have the white and green. That's what it looks like, cross section. Yeah, it tastes like apple, like little apple teeny. Day 19. Day 19 are Santa's trees. I think these are new. I don't remember having this before. So you have red or green little Christmas trees. Let's do the little red tree. Very cute. I don't know what flavor this is supposed to be. I guess the red one is more like a berry. Okay, for day 20, we have rainbow bears. And these are really cute. I think these are, I liked last year. These are very juicy. Okay, rainbow bears. You have the traditional gummy bear. These are the other colors. I guess it's like lemon flavor. Very gummy, very chewy. For day 21, we have baby whales. That's so cute. And it even has a little picture of what they look like. Okay, here are the baby whales. How cute is that little baby whale? Oh my gosh. Let's bite the tail. I'm trying to think. I don't really know what this tastes like. I thought it would be like blue raspberry, but I just think it's just regular gummy. Day 22, we have Heavenly Sours. I love sour candy. I don't know what this shape is supposed to be. These are very sour. These are mouth-puckeringly sour. Okay, day 23. This is the second to last day. We have ice cream cones. These are so cute. You have 2 or 3 blue ice cream cones. Okay, that is so cute. Little ice cream cone. I like the mix of gummies they have here. These are kind of sticky though. And then the final day 24, it's gold. So it's a little different than the other days. Gold, shiny, reflective package. We have milk chocolate donuts. Well, these are cute. I guess it's okay. It's not a bigger day. I feel like the final day should have more pieces and it should be a bigger box, but that's okay. It's supposed to look like a donut You have the little sprinkles on here. And there you go. It's like a crispy little oversized cereal Cheerio, and then chocolate on the outside. And that is the final day, milk chocolate donuts. All right, guys, that was the Sugarfina Santa's Candy Shop Advent Calendar for 2023. Overall, I pretty much got what I expected. The price went up a little bit this year. It's $50. I feel like it was less than $50 last year. I like that they put the expiration date on the back. I think that is very helpful, especially considering some advent calendars this year, they are reusing or maybe just straight up reselling the same advent calendars as last year. So something to consider, make sure that the advent calendar is current. And other than that, I think it's a cute design. But overall, I like the design. I like the change ups with the individual days, even though the finale was just the same as the other days. And I like the little 3D Mr. and Mrs. Claus on the bottom. If you are a fan of Sugarfina, I would recommend checking this out. It makes a great gift. I like that it's reusable. You really only need to buy one. If you already have this from last year, you probably don't need to go ahead and repurchase. Just go ahead and refill the drawers from last year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this advent calendar unboxing and tasting. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.